Welcome to the Chef's Kitchen, where Ingles caters some of the best events around. Now, what we're about to cook and many other recipes, they're online at thechefskitchen.com. And don't forget, if you want Ingles to cater your event, hit us up on the website, thechefskitchen.com. Chef Kale, welcome today.
Thank you.
What are we doing?
We're gonna make a crepe cake.
Also, I see chocolate.
Right? How do you go wrong there?
Not at all. How do we get started?
All right, so we have some heavy cream going ahead and scalding.
Okay, just cream, nothing else in there.
That's right.
Okay.
So anytime you're working with a ganache, you always want to add your hot to the cold, not the cold to the hot.
Okay.
It'll separate, it'll be runny, it's a hot mess.
Okay, good to
So
know.
don't do that.
All right.
So you're gonna add your heavy cream. Go ahead and give that a stir, Josh.
All right. We're just trying to melt that chocolate up.
That's
in there,
right.
All right.
So we're gonna do a salted orange. I just don't think we
wow.
do enough salted orange.
All right.
So some kosher salt. This is undiluted orange juice concentrate.
Okay. All right.
So you just add a little bit to that.
Excellent.
And you can go as heavy or as light as you'd like
All right.
with the salt and the orange juice.
And always, the recipe's online at chefskitchen.com.
Right. So as soon as that's all melty and happy, go ahead and get the...
This is what the finished product looks like.
That's
here.
right.
Look at that. All right.
So now we're going to take our crepes, and you can buy these at Ingles in the produce section.
Okay.
All right?
All
Or
right.
you can make them yourselves. It's up to you.
Excellent.
So go ahead and start with one,
Okay. There's one. All right.
and you're just going to paint it on.
Just paint it on. Okay. Paint that chocolate on. All right.
There you go. And you can either use Cool Whip. I just went ahead and whipped up a batch of whipped cream.
All right.
So as soon as you get all that, you're going to add another one.
Okay.
And then we're going to go whipped cream
And
next.
then whipped cream. Okay. Oh, you're just gonna layer it.
Right.
Okay. Easy enough.
And then you just keep going. And you can have it as tall as you want, however many guests that you're going to serve. This is a really great one for the young kids.
Yeah, because there's no. Yeah. You know.
There's
No bacon involved.
No
or anything like
baking, and they can make a huge mess.
Excellent.
And you're gonna love it.
And those crepes, you said they're in the produce section?
That's
Is that what you
right,
said? Really?
yeah.
So you don't
I was
even have to make
surprised too
crepes?
because I thought I was gonna have to make them, and
Yeah, that's
guess what?
awesome.
I didn't.
Excellent.
So when you keep going,
Okay.
So when it comes out, and you need to refrigerate it overnight, that way the ganache really has a hard.
All right, so no baking, you just finish layering it and then throw it in the refrigerator.
That's right.
Okay. All
So
right.
then you cut it.
All right.
For a fun garnish, just do a nice little strawberry fan.
That looks awesome. Can you see that, Kate? Look at that. Doesn't that look absolutely awesome? Oh, nice layers there. That's fun. That's great.
Just a little fan for some touch.
I love it.
And
Chef
there you
Kale,
go.
that's amazing. This recipe and many others, they're online at thechefskitchen.com. And don't forget, if you want Ingles to cater your event, hit us up on the website, thechefskitchen.com. Chef Kale, thank you.
You're welcome.